All right, how about that? Does that sound a little bit better? All right, there we go. I don't know if it's on which headset. I got like 3 mics pointing from all different. I got this big one right here. You can see this one. I got this mic. I got the headset. I got the ones on the webcam. But we'll figure it out. But good to see everyone back. It's a new, fresh start at cyber trading. We got a new day going on. We got a bunch of new stocks that are moving. We're going to talk about the ones that we did yesterday. What a great day yesterday in the stock market. I'll tell you, I was actually down. And I was just like, I got caught on a couple of stocks, and then all of a sudden, I did really, really well. We'll talk a little bit about the XELA actually made me a nice little comeback, and we'll talk a little bit about that. But remember, we did do Bookmap yesterday on Closing Bell. If you missed it, go to closingbelllive.com. If you're registered for it, we'll send you the recording. It was a great video, great demonstration on the platform. And guys, I think you really would see it's one of the most important tools that we use. Today, I will be on Well 365 at 3 o'clock. I'm really looking forward to that. I had a lot of people come from, Closing Bell that were at the Well 365. They said, I need a break. I got to come and see what's going on with CTU. So, it's a long week with 365. It's a great event. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you all registered. And once again, I will be there today, 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, looking to talk about, day trading and how things works and how to utilize today's great tools of today's market like we do with the Bookmap platform. And also, hope you guys also enjoyed Traders Talk with Josh yesterday. That's always a home run every week here. So that's what you missed, but don't worry about it. If you're new here, you could always join the stock market. I will make you a guarantee. Stock market's not going out of business, so don't worry about it. You didn't miss anything. It's always a brand new adventure. I'll tell you the truth. I think this is probably one of the best summers I've seen in a long time. We had some things that have just taken off and just really, really done amazing. And I mean, it's just, and you know what? It's like every day is a new adventure. So before we start talking about the stocks of today, let's talk about yesterday. So here's what you missed here's what you missed yesterday. We had this great stock, AHPI, had a beautiful run, just did not want to stop all the way from $4, about 11:30. She ran all the way to $9.50. I mean, it did a nice little shake. It went up. It did a nice little shake. It went up. Did a nice little shake. Then she did this nasty shake. She came right back down to 7, but then she shot right back up to about 11. Remember, great traders never buy at the bottom, sell top. You always buy in between. So this was like anywhere around here, 10, 11. You did great, and you should enjoy it. That was one nice little trader win that we had yesterday. OSI is another stock, had a big pop right out of the gate, and then all of a sudden she died. So this is why, like, sometimes you got to be in the right one. This is the one I actually lost money on, and then I finally got out of it. It got halted, and I'm glad I got out of it, because if I didn't get out of it, I would have got really beat up pretty bad. But that's why, we never say, oh, maybe this could be the next $22 or $50. Listen, you make your days pay what you taught. You take the money and you run. That was also a very nice. RCAT was also a very, very nice stock. Also made a nice little move. This thing right out of the gate at 10:30. I don't know where it came. This is actually where I made my money on this one stock. It just literally just popped. And then it did its little shake, within about 20, 30 cents. And then all of a sudden, break, did a shake, break, did a shake, break, did a shake. Just higher highs, HODs. Just constant HODs. Ran from 380 all the way to $6. So listen, if you pull 50 cents out of that trade, 50 cents on 1,000 shares, I think all of you could afford $4,000 stock. Hell, even 100 shares of it, you still made yourself 50 cents. 50 cents on 1,000 shares, $500. Congratulations. There is your 6-figure salary for the making for the day. Remember, here at Cyber Trade University, we don't teach people, and talk about, hey, look, I made 10,000, I made 3,000. A lot of us just want to replace what we have. We know Social Security is not paying enough. We know that we can't live off our pension. We got to build on it. We just want to make a day's pay. I know this is the typical $50,000, $100,000 salary, and it's really not that hard to do. So don't worry about the home runs. You will hit those home runs. It's all about the base hits. Now, what's going on this morning? Let's turn the page, because now the day's over. We're going to start a new day. So we got this one stock, DTSS. The stock is just doing unbelievably. DSSS, I just want to show you what we got over here on level 4. We had a couple of big iceberg orders that just got nailed. There was a couple of big ones right here for, 15,000, 30,000. You could see it started hitting there. It came back off. Boom, the guy got done. You see the big green ball, broke it, hit the next one, hit the next one. Stock is starting to break out. Really, really nice little moving stock right there. You could just see it since 8:30 this morning when it took out every single seller. Oh, look at this, 100,000 share buyer just came in right now at $5.19. What does that tell us? You figured it. You got it. Boom. Up, baby. So we got that one right there. Oh, look, it's already at 128, 130. Boom. Look at this thing take off. Follow the money, guys. Just follow the money. 136, 135. Jing, jing, jing. I wish I had the bell with me. All right, anyways, go to the next one. We have another stock that's making a little bit of a move. She's kind of like going up. She's kind of like teasing you since 7:30. She ran roughly around 460. She ran at 520. She's not as nice as the DTSS. That was actually my best stock on the watch list. So that one's doing pretty well. Let me just go back to it. Look, it's already at 540. Do you need anything else? Hey, you want to go play around with some some Bollinger Band? Yeah, let's go throw it in there for some of us. Hey, how many of you guys want moving averages? You want some RSIs? You want Mr. Bollinger? What else do we got here? Anything else? Anything else? Oh, the MACD. Let's not forget about the famous MACD. Yeah, you tell me what taught you what the stock was going up. I'd rather take that 100,000 share buyer any day. By the way, he just pulled his order, and we're gonna come back. By the way, this is so confusing. I hate this. I hate these things. I gotta take this off. Always confuses me. All these damn things. I don't know how people read all this stuff. Okay, what do we got? Remove. Come on, keep things simple. It's called the KISS method. Look at that. All right. So we got that one right there. We got a couple other stocks I just want to bring up. We got this one that did really good. Is also doing pretty decent. The MINM. Another stock that we've traded. We've done pretty well with it. It had a nice little push this morning, 550 to 650, but it's kind of like holding pretty tight right here. I don't know. Maybe we'll come back to it. It's not as pretty as the DTSS came in with that big order out there. OXBR, this stock very, very well. We trade this back in September. This stock in one day ran from $1.50 all the way to $9.60. We know the stock can move. We traded back in February also. Went from $2.60 to $5.80. Another stock that I want to keep an eye on it. I just don't like that she took a little bit of a hit here from $8. She came all the way down to $4.50. Let me see what I got going on here. I'm not really seeing anything on orders-wise that really stand out where I just showed you that DTSS where there was a 100,000 share buyer came in. Another one that's on the watch list too. This stock, this is one of the long shots. Okay, so this one, the reason why I like this one a little bit. Oh my God, this thing is flying. Look at this thing. It's already at $6. It's coming up and testing right now at 30,000 share seller right here. And look, it looks like he's getting hit a little bit. You can see it there. Hit 6. Look, buyer came out. He upticked again. Boom, he got done all the way to 630. Don't you love this job? This is awesome. This is great. Beautiful stock. I'm glad you guys cashed in on it. This one's one of the long shot stocks I want to talk about. This was a $50 stock. Got really, really hammered here. And you can see how the stock literally, it's like one of the first days up. If it gets past these resistance levels right here around 780, then we'll consider it. But I like stocks that get really crushed and then they come back. Same thing. This one too. A little bit of a sleeper, not too many shares. I put this on category 3. And then this one is just getting crushed right here. This one right here, $90 stock up to 57. I really bring this up for the purpose of, some of you people go out there and you're like, I don't trade. What stock's under 5? I was always taught don't do that. Yeah, okay. You go deal with those stocks. I'll stick with the DTSS. You go play GXOC because it was an $80 stock. It's got to be a real company, right? Well, you know what? Wake up in the morning, and this is what I was always taught. The difference between this one and the other one is this could still go down 50 more points, all right? So you want to play that game, go right ahead. Anyway, so we got a lot of good action going on. We got a lot of trading going on. Anything I'm missing, cyber traders, that I missed? Wayne just said he made 14 cents on DTSS. Way to go, Wayne. That's what it's all about. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anything else I missed out? By the way, if you made your money on that stock, you should call it quits. Go out and enjoy the rest of the day. SOHU. It was nice yesterday, and it's not really doing anything right now, Steve. You know, I mean, it's really got nothing going on. Nothing. What about you guys on YouTube and Facebook? Anything you guys missing there? Anything missing right there? Just take this out.